I'll just explain some different best practices that we can do on Amazon. So, in a basic level, I think that people who are really well suited for DSP have really already mastered that search side of the business. And this is an incremental way. And I think from what I've seen is that typically using a different SaaS platform and or using even just, normal using a UI outside of that managed one in Amazon because of those different costs for the business is that you'll typically see a higher ROAS when it's more of that SaaS platform. So ways to really focus on ROAS, which I know is everyone's top goal, is using those types of conversion strategies, looking at retargeting. And then when you're focusing more on consideration and awareness, that's where you can use more of those broader strategies. So looking at some of it are those different hashed audiences where you can be using information directly from customers. So if you have a certain toothpaste brand and you're on their website and you can capture how many people have viewed that website and what emails that they have put in the past and ordered from there, what Amazon can do is basically take that data, hashes it up. So it's not using specific names, et cetera, and it's all mashed together. So in that way, it's protecting that user's privacy. However, it's able to take those users who have gone on that brand's page in the past. So it's really creating a full funnel system. And another great different best practice is also using Oracle Data Cloud or ODC segments, which those you can either have ones that are pre-populated, can create some on your own. It might take 1 to 2 weeks to create with Oracle. But in that way, again, it's in a similar way where it's focusing on that specific category. So let's say you have a certain product and you want to focus in the cold and flu category. You can create that Oracle Data Cloud that's focusing on there. And it's really keeping information both on that online format as well as things even in in-store purchases as well. And a major focus of Amazon is also providing a lot of sales lift and brand lift case studies, working with companies like IRI, like Nielsen, like Millward Brown, and proving out the effects of your ROAS, not just on Amazon, but also how it's driving that offline conversion as well. And when looking at DSP performance, a lot of people think like, what's better, mobile or desktop? And I do think from my experiences that it is great to have both. But for a little bit of granular info, we have seen greater mobile performance here at PackView for our DSP teams who are currently using the Amazon UI to manage those campaigns. For looking at both static and DA ads, some people think, well, which one's better? What's going to drive it for my business? So from what I saw at Amazon, it is pretty split, like both give pretty equal performance. However, it can differ by brand. So I think it's great to be able to try both and test and learn, especially with different deals and different ways to express those coupons. Another great thing to try is subscribe and save ad campaigns. So you can target those who are very loyal to your brand, and you can even then target them for other types of products in your line that they might be interested in since they've already shown that they're a loyal subscriber.